Today we are going to design FSM for the set of strings starting with 0 and ending with 1. So for designing FSM we should know I and S and O. So what is I? We are going to check whether the sigma is given in this question. In this question sigma is not given, but it is mentioned that a string should start with 0 and end. So that is it clearly indicating that it is a binary number system. So the I is indirectly given as 0 and 1. So here for finding the machine function we got I. Now the next step is we have to find the S. But before finding the S, we should design the complete list of input alphabet. So for that, what we are going to do, we are going to find out the complete I by using the formula sigma closure. So after finding the sigma closure, what we are going to do, we are going to collect them like this. After finding the entire sigma, that is input I, now we are going to solve the question manually. So what is given in the question that your string should start with 0 and it should end with 1 in between ending combination. So this is string starting with 0 and ending with 1. So for S, we are going to mark QS as the initial state, which is not going to take any input, neither is going to produce any output. Now collect all the string which are starting with 0. Starting with 0 means we are going to have the 50% of your solution. So those string, for example 0, 00, 000, 10, 0010, so that is going to contain the 50% of our output, that is they are starting with 0. So for those string which are producing which are according to your question containing the 50% of your string, but the output will be no, because these strings are not going to start, they are not starting with 0 and ending with 1, but it contain the 50% of your solution. So the output will be obviously no. For no, your output will be 0. Now after 50% of the solution, we are going to proceed to the 100% of our solution. So 100% of the solution means string should start with 0 and ends with 1. So all the strings which are having this kind of combination will be marked as output as 1, and that output we are going to mark as 1. So this kind of string will be marked as the state Q1. So what kind of strings are indicated by the state Q1? State Q1 represent your question, that is the string starting with 0 and end with 1 will be the state representing this combination. What about the state Q0? Q0 represent only the string starting with 0. Okay. Now the remaining strings. So what kind of the remaining strings which are not according to your question? So what are those strings? Those strings will be completely rejected by your question. That is the string 1, string 10, 11, string 100, 101, 110. That is those strings which are not containing the 50%. For example, this after getting 0 also or after getting 1 also, this is completely rejected. So the first combination, the first bit itself is rejected. That is, if the string starts with 1, so that is completely rejected, because if the string is starting with 0, then there are the chances that the next bit will be, or after some bits we are going to, the strings is going to be terminated, for example 1. But here after getting the first bit as 1, there are no chance that we are going to wait for the next more bits. That means the strings which are starting with 1 are completely rejected by our question. So those strings which contain the 0% of our requirement will be marked as state Q2. So what are the strings which are marked as state Q2 will be the strings starting with 1. So those strings which are starting with 1 will be produce output as no, and this is output 0, which represent the string is rejected. Now what is the difference between this kind of output which is generated by the state Q0 and the state Q2? State Q2 is also producing output 0, but the what kind of string is represented by Q0 is the string is starting with 0. State Q2 is also producing output 0, but how it is different? Because it represents the string that starts with 1. So although the output is 0, they are similar in their output, but they are different in representing the string. Now at the end, what we have collected all the string as QS, Q0, Q1, Q2 as your state. Now what about the output? Output symbol, output alphabet A, O will be what? yes, it is accepted, either no, string is rejected. After that, what we have to do for designing FSM? Now we got I, S and O that are very necessary for designing machine function and for the state function. Now we are going to design the machine function, and simultaneously what we are going to do, we are going to fill the state function table also. So QS on 0, QS on 0. So QS represent what kind of string? QS represent neither as input or nor the output. So nothing is represented by QS with the next bit as 0. So QS with the next bit as 0 will represent only the string 0. So what kind of output? So we have to check our algorithm, what we have decided. So in our algorithm, if the string is having only 0, so the it contains the 50% of the solution and will be marked as Q0. And what about the output? So output will be 0. So according to this table, according to this information, the output will be 0, and according to this information, if the string is starting with 0, that is the 50% of solution, it should go to Q0. So simultaneously we are trying to fill the table. So QS on 0 will go to Q0. Now QS with 1, QS represent nothing, so it will be the string 1. So what we had decided initially, so the if string has only the 0% of your solution, that is the string is not starting with 0, that is the strings are starting with 1, so the output will be 0. So the output will be 0, and to where it is going? It is going to Q2 state. Now Q0 with 0, Q0, what kind of strings are represented by Q0? Q0 represent 50% of the solution, that is the strings are starting with 0. So the Q0 represent the string 0 with the next bit as 0. Will make the input new string as 0 0. Whether the 0 0 is according to your question? No. So the 0 0 is not according to the question, but contain the 50% of the solution. Output will be 0, but is going to Q0. So the output will be 0 and it is going to Q0. So Q0 on 0 goes to Q0. Now Q0 on 1. Q0 on 1 means Q0 represent what kind of string? Q0 represent 0. So Q0 represents 0 with the next bit as 1. So whether this is according to the question? Yes, it is according to the question. So output will be yes. Output will be 1. Yes. What is the state represent this 0 1 state? So 0 1 state is represented by Q1. So Q0 on 1. So here Q0 on 1, output is yes, represented by 1. Similarly in the STF function, Q0 on 1, output is yes, which is indicated by Q1 state. Now Q1 on 0. What is Q1 state? Q1 is the state, it is starting with 0 and ending with 1. So Q1 represents 0 1 with the next bit as 0. So 0 1 0. So the output is no. So for this kind of output in which the string has started with 0 is indicated by the state Q0, but the output is no. So the output is no is indicated by 0. Now again this we had marked in MAF function. Now in STF function, Q1 on 0. Q1 on 0, where it is going? From here, that is Q1 on 0, whose output is started with 0 and it is ending with 0, but the string has started with 0. So it is where it is going? It is going to the state in which the string has started with 0. So this is going to Q0. Now Q1 on 1. Q1 on 1 represent what? Q1 represent the string 0 1 and it is ending with 1. So this is according to our question. That is the string has started with 0 and added with 1. Yes, it is acceptable. Acceptable strings are marked with Q1 state. So Q1 with 1. Now we have to fill in STF. Q1 with 1 is going to the acceptable state, which is Q1. Now Q2 with 0. What is Q2? The string is, yet Q2 is the strings which represent, Q2 are the state which representing the string has started with 1. So Q1 miss 1 with the next bit as 0 will make 1 0. Whether 1 0 is accepted by the our question? No, it is completely rejected. Output will be 0. To what? Which state is going? This state output is 0 will not be going to Q0, because in this state what we are having the new state as 1 0 in which the string has started with 1. For the string starting with 1 we have state Q2. That's why to which state we are going to go? Q2 with 0 will be going to Q2. Now Q2 with 1. Q2 represent the string has started with 1 and the next bit as 1. So we'll make the new string as 1 1. Output is no. Output is no represent 0. But to which state is going? Q2, in this case the string has started with 1. For the string starting with 1 we have the state Q2. So that's why in the STF Q2 with 1 will be going to Q2. I hope it is clear to everybody. Now the next thing is, after this diagram, after filling this thing, we have to draw the state transition diagram. So how we are going to draw the state transition diagram? We have marked QS as the initial state, Q0, Q1, Q2. Now QS. Now from this diagram, from the table MAF and STF, we have to fill the state transition diagram. QS on 0, where it is, what is the output here is 0. So where we have to mark, we have to not write on the state. Again I am repeating. Now input 0 produces output 0. Now from the STF function we have to draw the arc. So QS on 0, where it is going to Q0. So QS on 0 with this input and output is going to Q0. Now QS on 1, output is 0. So the input is 1, output is 0. So QS with input 1 and output is 0. Where it is going QS on 1, from the state function we have to determine where it is going. QS on 1, it is going to Q2. So it is going to Q2. So like this. Now Q0 on 0, output is 0. Q0 on 0, output is 0. Q0 with the input 0 and output is 0. Where it is going? It is going Q0 on 0 going to Q0 itself. Now Q0 on 1, where it is going? It is producing output as 1 and is going to Q1. So Q0 with 1 produces output 1 and is going to Q1. So what I can make, don't try to cross the arrows. Okay, so here it is going from Q0 to Q1. I can draw like this also, but try to draw like this. So Q0 on 1 produces 1 and goes to Q1. So I can mark like this. Now Q1 on 0, output is 0 and where it is going to Q0. So Q1 on 0, Q0 on 0, it is going to Q0 on 0 goes to Q0 and produces output as 0. Now Q1 on 1 produces output 1 and goes to itself like this. Now Q2 on 0 goes to Q2 only and produces output 0. Okay, and Q2 on 1 also produces output 0 and goes to itself. So this is how we had completed the FSM for the string starting with 1 and ending with 0.